Hey guys, what's up? I'm Sierra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be creating this purple and pink look using the Morphe and James Charles palette, and I'm so excited. So if you guys want to stick around, see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I already did my brows using the Anastasia Dip Brow like usual, and I also primed my eyelids using the Morphe eyelid primer. And today I'm going to go in with the Morphe James Charles palette, which just looks like this, and we're gonna create some fun eyeshadow look. Alright, so first I'm just going to go in with the shade Pinkity Drinkity, which is a very pale pink, and I'm just going to put this shade all over as a as a transition shade. So I'm just gonna take it with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to kind of swipe this. Okay, and after I use the shade Pinkity Drinkity, I'm just going to go into the shade Single, which is a purpley shade, and I'm just going to use the same fluffy brush that I used, and I'm just going to put this more into the crease area. Now with these shades, you do need to pack them on first because they are a pressed pigment rather than a regular eyeshadow, and this helps to get the maximum pigment rather than blending them all away. After I have that shade blended out, I am going to go into the shade Escape, which is a darker purple, and I'm just going to go in with a more dense blending brush and put this directly into the crease. After I put the darker purple in to my crease, I am going to go into the shade Benny, which is a deep brown shade in the palette, and I'm just going to press this into my outer corner to just kind of deepen up the look a little bit. After I have that done, I'm just going to cut my crease using some concealer, and the one I'm using today is the Maybelline Master Conceal, and I have this in the shade Tin Fair. And I'm just going to take like a angled brush and cut my crease. After I have my crease cut, I am going to go into the shade Love That, and I'm just going to pack it right in between where we have that dark purple and the crease starting. So after I have that shade all packed on, I am going to go into the shade Skip, which is a bright pink, and I'm just going to pack that right next to the shade Love That. And then I'm going to go into the shade Pinkity Drinkity once again, and I'm just going to pack this into the inner corner. After I do that, I'm just going to go back over all of the colors to make sure they have the maximum pigmentation and that they are all blended together. Alright, so after I have that done, I am just going to blend them all out once more to make sure there are no harsh lines. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of black eyeliner on, and I use the NYX matte liquid liner and it is in black. And I'm just going to put this along the tops of my eyes. I'm not going to do a wing or anything, I just want to give a base for the lashes that we're going to put on later. I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Prime Primer like usual. I'm just going to put this all over my face. After I put on my primer, I am going to go in with my foundation. And today I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation. And after I have that on the back of my hand, I am just going to take my beauty blender and pat this all over my face. And after I got my foundation all blended in, I am going to go into my concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 5 Ivory. And after I'm done with my concealer, I am going to set my face, and like always, I'm going to use the Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette by Tarte, and I'm just going to use the shade Enhance and, what is the other shade? Halo, and I'm going to use these two shades to set my face. So after I have my face set, I am going to bronze and contour with the same palette. I'm going to go into the shade Princess Cut, which is this shade right here, and I'm just going to bronze and contour with it. And now I'm just gonna go right back under where I bronze to just kind of clean it up a little bit. And now I'm just going to put blush on, and I am going to use the NARS blush in the shade Orgasm, and I'm just going to put this onto the apples of my cheeks. So now that I have my blush on, I am going to set my face real quick. and I use the Morphe continuous setting spray, which looks a little bit like that, and that's not going to focus. But I just go ahead and spray this all over my face. So after I do that, I am going to go and put my lashes on off camera, and I will be right back. So I'm back and I have my lashes on, and I use the Kiss lashes in the style Sultry. And now I'm just going to dip back into the James Charles palette and use the darkest purple that we used earlier, which is Escape. And I'm just going to sweep this across the lower lash line. And now I'm just going to go into the bright pink shade, which is Skip, and I'm just going to blend that purple out. After I do that, I'm going to go in with the shade Ring Light with more of a pencil brush, and I'm just going to highlight my inner corners. Alright, so after I do that, I am going to curl my lashes and put on my mascara. And the mascara I am using is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So now I am going to put on my lipstick, and I am going to use the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Stripped. And I'm just going to put this all over my lips. After I have my lipstick on, I am going to wait for it to dry, and then I'm going to go over it with some lip gloss. And I'm going to be using the Buxom lip gloss, and this is in the shade Blushing Margarita. Okay, and now I'm just going to set my face one more time. And then I'm going to highlight my face using the Morphe and Bretman highlight palette, and I'm just going to use the shade Vacation, which is this center shade right here. And I'm going to do this with the fan brush that comes with the palette. And this, you guys, I believe is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next week.